What's up, guys? I'm hoping that you're having a fantastic day. So, I woke up at 5. Yes, I did. But the thing is, I need to show you guys when it's 5. It's 5:43 right now. And, I just have to get everything ready and stuff. Like, you know. So, yeah. Yeah. So, actually, it's a minimum day for school tomorrow. Like, it's like a minimum day, so like my school ends at 10 tomorrow. And remember the video, I'm going camping. Like, I'm actually like going today. Like 2 days. But not until my dad gets done with his work school. I wish he went to normal school, because if he went to normal school still, he would only go in there. He would only go in there on 2 days. Friday and Wednesday. That's the only 2 days he would go into work. Like, drive to there. But since it's on a computer, he actually works like every day, even weekends. So, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so, so I'm leaving today. Not until he is done, but we're gonna leave more earlier because I'm ending school earlier. And I'm gonna help pack the trailer and stuff. You know what I mean? So we're staying there 2 nights. 3 nights. We're staying there in 3 nights, but we're staying there 2 days. You know what I mean? Okay, I'll see you guys when I get there. And, yeah, I'll probably film like 20 more videos after this, so goodbye.